Welcome to ITS Web 2.0, the next generation of ACE systems. A little bit about ITS. We were founded in 1989. We were the very first Windows-based system for ABI. We've gotten over 3 million transactions have gone through our system successfully. We've been working with customs for over 3 decades now, and service is our business. We are not just giving you lip service. We really care about our customers, and it is in our DNA. We have merged. Very exciting news. 2 of the original ABI providers have merged. ITS plus GMS International equals the new ITS to help simplify your logistics needs. Very excited about this acquisition. We are a native web system. It's the easiest and most powerful ACE system available. All you need is a computer and high-speed internet. We connect to US Customs. It's managed by ITS, not you anymore. It's all done through us. Data management is performed by ITS. So no more backups need to be performed by your folks. We do it for you. And same with the infrastructure. It's managed by ITS. We take care of all of that for you. That's the big benefit of being on a native web system. Like I just mentioned, we're in a hosted environment. We have SSL certificates and SHA security. We're on the Azure cloud, the Microsoft Azure cloud. We use MS SQL as our database, which ensures scalable, secure, and reliable access to your data. The products that we have is a custom brokerage system, an ocean export system, air export, import MBO, ocean AMS, accounting, full accounting underneath, all the way down to the general ledger, air AMS, and we're in the process of putting together a warehouse and trucking system. So here's the questions, the ITS challenge that you need to ask yourself about the system that you are using today. Do you have a fully integrated container tracking system that lets you know exactly where the freight is at all times? Do you have the ability to build customized workflows to manage your business more effectively? Are you able to build customized web portals for your customer? Are you fully integrated with the CMQ query? Can the CMQ actually build the entries for you, making your entry process more efficient? And you never get an error with customs because the data is validated against it. And can you audit the files and have an integrated auditing system, all electronic, to limit the number of human resources needed to do your auditing and fill your auditing needs? So custom brokerage, as you can see, we've got our main screen, which has the CMQ in green here, telling us that the CMQ is already performed and it matches the information in the system. So if you've already entered data into our system and then you run the CMQ, it'll validate it. If there's something wrong, all you have to do is click that load button and it will update your file automatically for you. Then you can see the map of where your container is right in the file itself. You can always turn this off, but if you get a phone call from a customer and they want to know where their freight is, you can click the little button and boom, the map is there for you. Very easy to use. All the information is truly at your fingertips now. We have pop-up notifications as you're doing your entry. So if you get a release suspended from customs, it will pop up on your user's desktop so they can see immediately that it happened. They don't have to go to other screens and other dashboards to find it. It will just be there for them. We have robust itemized charges. So if you have a CIF entry and you need to distinguish between your destination charges, your insurance, prepaid duty, all of that, that is built into the system and it uploads into the file and then it will prorate it throughout the file. So that makes it very easy. Here's the quality control audit that we're talking about. It's in conjunction with the workflow manager. So what's really cool about this is it will show you all the files that have not been audited. So if a file's been audited, it will automatically come off of this report. You don't have to rerun the report. It's active, it's living, it's telling you what's going on in your business. Auditing is just one of many different types of workflows that you can build out with this system, which will make it really effective, save you time, efficiency in entry, efficiency in management, all of that built into the system. Pro forma invoice. So if you want to put the pro forma on your customer's portal, they can enter data into the portal, and this data will load right into your system and actually create an entry for you. We can also upload it, but if you want your customer to be able to input it, capability is right there for you. Then we've got what's called Lights Out. What Lights Out is a fully integrated solution with compliance controls and edits that will take a file from your customer, load it into our system, build the file for you automatically, send it to customs for you automatically, get the information back from customs automatically, and send that information out to the trucker or your customer automatically. Totally lights out, no human interaction between those types of entries. We have Ocean Export. Do your quotes, do your bookings, do your AES. Boom, entry is done. Air Export, do your quote, do an e-airway bill, do AES. Create your airway bill, and you're done. Boom, export is done. All of this is tied right into the accounting system as well. Air AMS, if you're not using us to do your brokerage work, but you want to be able to get your 1Cs and see what's going on with the manifest, the AMS, Air AMS is for you. Ocean AMS is the same sort of thing where you can get the manifest information back from customs even if you're not using our brokerage system. In this case, on Ocean AMS, a lot of our customers will actually enter the data and enter the manifest into the system and then receive the results back. Then the deconsolidation and freight forwarding system for your NVOCC needs, arrival notices, DOs, all of that fully integrated into the system. Some of the features that are shared across all the modules, color-coded status, all the dashboards built into the system. Automated cargo manifest query we've talked about, it's fully built into the system. Automated container tracking. What's kind of neat about this is you can put this on your customer's portal too. So if you want them to be able to do their container tracking without having to call you, boom, you got it. It's right there for you. Sophisticated parts database. All the way through the PGA integration, put in a parts number, fills out your file for you. Templates throughout the system. So you only, if you're doing the same type of entry over and over and over again, day after day, week after week, month after month, templates are simple to build. And then all you got to do is click a template button and you've got your template and you got your information in the system. Workflow manager. We talked about that already a little bit, but here's another example of it. In this case, we wanted to see the container status with the PGA status. And again, what's really neat and cool about this is you can tell the system what you want to see on these workflows in advance, and then it is a living and breathing dashboard. So you don't have to go back in and requery it. It will do it for itself. And then you can see this little search button on there. You can type in anything you're looking for that's going to be within that dashboard, and it is instant access to that information. We have a customized report writer. It takes about 15 minutes to learn it. There are a lot of features and functions in it that obviously would take more than 15 minutes, but all it takes literally is 15 minutes to write your first report, and then you can go build as many reports as needed. You don't have to rely on us. And it's pretty easy. We made it so that you can build these reports yourself. Customer calls you, they need something, go in, choose the fields that you want, and send it out to them. We do have advanced reporting, pre-built, canned reports already built into the system. We've got about 45 of them. So we may cover all your needs. You don't have to build a new report on every one. That's the reason I show the canned reports. We have a pretty sophisticated billing matrix too. So if you want to charge per FDA line, you can do that and you can have some free lines. If you want to give 3 free FDA lines and then charge after that, that's built right into it. If you want to charge for the number of lines, if you want to charge for bonds, all of that can be built into your billing matrix, and you're not limited to the number of billing matrices that you can build. So you can either build them by customer if you want, customer specific, or you can build them in groups and share them across customers, including your entire customer base. We have a fully integrated accounting analysis system. So, if you don't know this information, you're at a disadvantage. This shows you how much money you've made every month over a period of time. It shows you the trend lines. You can even have a budget in here to tell the system, here's how much money we need to keep our lights on for a month, for a quarter, for the year, and the system will track all of that for you to make sure that you are tracking to those budget numbers. We have a full DMS system, so if you want to upload your documents onto the web so that all your employees can see it in the world of COVID, very important to be able to do that. You can also upload these documents to your customer's portal so that they can see their documents without having to call you. So all of your document management needs are in here. If you're looking to go paperless, this is the tool for you. Our data integration, we are absolute experts in web service integration. What does that mean for you? Is if you have data, your customer has data, and you want that data loaded into the system, we know how to get it done, whether it is through a web service, whether it's through an FTP site, or whether you're going to use Dropbox. We've done it all now. So any of your integration needs, we know how to do it. We're excited about doing it. We love to get involved with that kind of work. No duplication of data entry. If you ever find a duplication of entry in our system, we would absolutely fix it. We don't find it. We don't know about it yet. But if you ever run into it, we've got you covered. There is no duplication of data. We handle large-scale integration with ERP systems like SAP and Oracle, as well as accounting systems like Microsoft Dynamics, like QuickBooks, Peachtree. We've done all of that kind of work, data integrating into our system. And then, like I mentioned earlier, the lights out ACE. If you're really looking to be efficient and you really want to increase your profitability, if you can get the data from your customer and you can go lights out, it will make you a much more efficient and profitable organization. And we've got you covered, and we'd love to talk to you about how to make that happen. We believe in a partnership of values. And what does that mean? We do what we say we're going to do. We're customer focused, we're proactive, and we're process driven. We're all about you. Our success is really based on your success. And that's how I finish it off. We are dedicated to customer success. So thank you for your time for the 10-15 minutes. Hopefully you found this valuable. If you need anything further from me, you've got the phone number right there. You've got my email. I would love to talk to you. Thanks again.